Hello everybody and welcome to my channel, and today we're doing this awesome video. It's a duck recipe. It's super easy to make, delicious, and a great dish for Christmas and New Year's. Subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos. First of all, you'll need a duck, and let's watch it and cut off the pieces that you didn't want. Then add some salt on its skin and rub it with your hands. Wrap it in some plastic paper and let it sit for about 2 hours in your fridge. When it's all done, take off the plastic paper and let's prepare the ingredients. I'm using 2 big apples, which I'm cutting off the seeds and cutting them into little triangles. Now let's stuff the duck with the apples and close it in. Again, add some salt. Also, you can add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch on top, so it bakes more crispy. Now let's take a baking pan and a baking plastic bag and add the duck and half a glass of water. Now let's close it. And let's send it to the oven for about 1 hour at 100 degrees. When it's all done, open the bag and let's bathe the duck into its juices. And now let's bake it for about 2 to 30 minutes until the skin is crispy. Now let's prepare and decorate our plate. Now you can plate it and take out the closing rope. I advise you to eat it when it's still hot because it's delicious, and this way you get to enjoy all the fresh juices. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a like and try this video out because it's super easy to make. And subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos. Thank you for watching.